welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today will be the last video of the Halloween series. I hope you've been enjoying it. Today is episode 6, I believe, and it's just to get ready with me. Tonight I'm going out having a Halloween party and I'm dressing up, so I thought let's just have a chill video and get ready together. If you haven't checked out my other Halloween videos, make sure you go do, and I'll link them down below. And if you enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. So to start my makeup prep, I'm going in with some moisturizer. So I don't know if I should tell you my Halloween outfit now or if you should wait, but it's pretty basic. It's not like any of my other ones that like any of the looks I've done. Maybe I should give you some hints towards the start and then see if you can guess. But first we're just gonna do a glam kind of base. So that's your first hint. And yeah, so I just moisturize with the Body Shop moisturizing cream. This is the Aloe one. And next we're gonna go in with foundation, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay 30 Hour Wear Foundation in the shade 07. So this is in the slight wrong shade for me, but we can make it work with bronzer and blush. I just have more pinky undertones than there, and this is a more yellow undertone foundation. But we can make it work. So my Halloween costume is basic. You wear full face of makeup, nothing too gory, quite common. I like treasure. I guess after that clue you probably got it. So I'm just blending out my foundation with the Koko Cosmetics beauty blender. Or the makeup sponge, I should say, because Beauty Blender is the actual brand. But as you can see, it blends out the makeup so easily. Sorry if I'm a bit crazy, I'm quite excited for the Halloween party today. We're going to conceal, and I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Concealer in the shade 140C. So I apply it under the eye, and I do actually pull it down slightly because I have quite a round face, so pulling it down makes my face a bit more elongated, which I love. So I'm gonna apply it, and then we're gonna let it sit for a bit to get that like more coverage, to make the more snatched kind of look. My boyfriend always laughs whenever I say snatched in a video, so snatched. Now we're gonna blend that out with another beauty blender. So this is the Koko Cosmetics in shape 2. I kind of just prefer this one to go under the eyes. It works really nicely. And I'm just using the side of the sponge to blend the other parts of the concealer. So I have gone for quite a lighter shade of concealer because I do want that contrast today. So let me show you how I do the under eye. Slowly go in and bounce out. Ta-da! And now I like to go in with bronzer / contour, but I'm just going to use a bronzer to contour today. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Bronze in the shade Tan Lines. I'm going to use like this flat foundation brush to get the product out and then put it on my skin, and then I like to blend with the beauty blender, but you can do it anyway. People like use direct from the brush and then tap it in, and I think that is meant to be a better way, I guess, because it doesn't make it as muddy, people say. But I tried the other way and I just prefer this way. I don't know, I think I just like a lot of bronzer, or I do for like certain looks. When you put it on with a brush, it can take time, whereas this, you got that instant bronze look. So have you guys got any plans for Halloween? But actually this will be uploaded like on the 1st of November, so after Halloween. So I hope you guys did have a good Halloween, and thank you for watching another Halloween video, even though it's gone past Halloween. I do like to extend the season as much as I can because it's a really creative season, I think. So now I've placed the bronzer on, I'm going to use the Koko Cosmetics sponge again and blend it out. So if you are obsessed with makeup and you like watching a lot of makeup videos, you might have seen NikkieTutorials' new makeup video. And she raves about this makeup sponge. And honestly, I rave about this makeup sponge, and so does everyone. It's just so good. Like, look. super easy to use and super soft. Definitely worth it, but they go out of stock so quickly. So when they're back in stock, you gotta snatch them up. But what I do actually need some of that IsoClean makeup sponge cleaner, if you've seen that. I've got the normal like brush cleaner one, this one, but it doesn't work as well, or it doesn't work with the beauty blenders. So I want to get some of that, because as you can see, my sponges do need to be clean. Like I have used like dish soap and oil because that's going to be the best way, but I feel like getting a proper beauty cleaner will be better because it's for your skin and stuff. So yeah, so the next step for my base routine is blush, and today I'm going in with the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Can't Cope with Coral. A lot of my makeup at the moment is like super TikTok central, like that's where I get my makeup, that's where I see the trends. So yeah, all of these products are like viral on TikTok and it's great. So that's why I probably talk about it so much. Like Made by Mitchell has been around for 2 years now. That's insane. And do you know what's even crazier? I've only just recently bought products from them, like in the last year. So if you didn't see, I actually put blush on the back of my hand, pick it up at the bottom, the blender, bounce it in, and then use the other side to kind of blend it out, because I don't like a harsh blush at all. I like something cute and subtle, just like this. Now let's set it and forget it, like Nikki says. So I'm going to go in with a translucent powder. This one's from e.l.f. So I'm just gonna pour some of that in the lid. And I'm actually going in with the beauty blender today. And I've got some of that powder on. I'm gonna go directly under the eye, because I want super bright under eyes. And I just bounce it in like so. And with whatever's left on the beauty blender, I bounce it in everywhere. And then if really snatched, you can apply some powder to the bottom, and like so. And then lastly, I'm just gonna get a brush and dust around my face. And next, I'm just gonna go straight in with some setting mist, as I always do after I apply powder, because I do feel a bit dry sometimes. And I'm going in with a super dewy setting spray from Revolution. I'm just spraying it like so. Next, let's move on to brows. So first, I'm just gonna brush them up into place. And then next, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown to fill them in. And then I just fill them in like so. Put your guesses down in the comments, as I will tell you very shortly. Honestly, I had a crazy nightmare with my outfit though. I ordered it ages ago from Shein, and it was meant to be here, well, like 4 days ago now, and it's still not here. So I had to run into town, and I got bits from like Primark and H&M. And to be honest, after I ordered the stuff from Shein, I found out all the terrible stories about them underpaid, like 3p per item of clothing, and the environment. And I am gonna try boycott it now and not buy from fast fashion, as it's really bad for like the people who work there, but also the environment. So I guess maybe this is a sign for me, like, to stop buying from them. But yeah, gonna try better at that, and I hope you guys do too. I know that it's cheaper and then you can get more, but the quality is not great, and just think about the people who are making the clothes on the other end. So now I am setting my brows, and I'm using with the NYX Brow Glue, lightly pushing it in. I think this product can be used to do like the fluffy feathered brows, but I do not like them. They just don't suit me. Therefore, I do like the 2016 block brows, as you can see. To be honest, I think these block brows would also fit my look better. Okay, those are the brows. Let's move on to the eyes. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Revolution Reloaded palette. This one's the Velvet Rose one. I'm going to be taking a Morphe 433 brush and picking up this shade here. So the look I'm going for, you don't need to be neat or precise with this, kind of rough, bit edgy. Maybe another clue for you. So I'm just going to stamp it on the outside and the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to kind of create what is called a halo eye. So I'm going to add like shimmer in the middle. And now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Now, you take my finger, I'm going to be using this shade here, putting it in the middle of the eye. So I'm just going to push it in like so. And then I'm going to use the same brush, which I used for the brown, just to like blend it out. I'm just going to smoke out the side. Taking a smaller rounded brush, I'm going to take up some of that brown that I used and put it under the eye. Just a little bit to add a bit more dimension, and then taking some of that shimmer shade and again adding that directly underneath. Of course, if I'm going for the grungy vibe, we need some eyeliner. This is the Avon Super Shock eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner, it goes on really nicely. So I'm just going to apply that directly into my waterline. There we are. Now we just need some mascara and lashes. The lashes I'm going to be using today are these candy lashes from Doll Beauty. And for mascara, I'm just going to go in with the Revolution Wispy Lash. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. And there are the lashes done. What do you think? I think they're quite cute. Really like bold and big. I wouldn't wear them every day, but I like them. So now let's add a lip, and for this I'm going to be using Maybelline Superstay in the shade 05 Loyalist, my favorite nude. And let's spray it. And now the look is done. What do you think? Just kidding. Now we're gonna add something a bit crazy to add to the look. If you haven't guessed the look so far, I think this might help you out a lot. This is Rigid Collodion Scarring Liquid. It smells like nail varnish, but you put it on your face and it kind of like dries down to make a scar. So I wanted to try that. I want to have one on my eye. Well, not on my eye, but like above and maybe below. So it's like, and then one like through my lip. And maybe one on my cheek. I have never used this, so I'm going to put it on my hand first to see if I do have a reaction to it. And then look, so it's dry and it's kind of like wrinkling up. I don't know if you can see, but that's kind of cool. So that's what I'm going to do on my face. So I've got a little bit and I'm going to be really careful because I'm like by the eye. I'm going to do it above. So I'm just going to do one layer at a time. Do it below as well. So it's kind of like I've been gashed. Then I'll probably add a bit of redness to it, but I think, can you see it now? Now let's add another layer. I think I'm gonna add 3 layers. So I was gonna do one on my lip, but I think I'll be like talking and moving a lot through the day or the evening. So I'm gonna like put one here across. And there's the scars on the skin. So I got one on the eye and one on the cheek. Now let's add a little color. For this, I'm going to be taking this red shade here called Pucker Up from the P. Louise Cassette palette. So I just got a bit of eyeshadow on and just adding some color to make it more realistic. Just like so, and I've gone a bit too crazy on the end, so I'm just gonna blend that out. And there's the complete look. So if you haven't guessed yet, I'm gonna go undo my hair and put my outfit on, and then yeah, we can see the final look together. And here is the finished look with all the accessories and the outfit. So if you didn't guess, I'm a pirate. Well done if you got it right. I'll be liking the comments which did get it right. So if I like zoom out a little bit, this is other look. So I've got most of it is from Primark. I've got the jewelry, the matching necklace and a bracelet, got a ring. This is an everyday shirt in a bigger size. I've got some fishnets and some shorts underneath. But yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. If you did, remember to hit the huge thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my video next week, which will be something different to Halloween. So looking forward to seeing you then. Bye guys.